Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unlocking a really powerful AI tool that, honestly, most people don't even know exists. And guess what? It's completely free. So look, a lot of us use AI for, simple questions. But what if you had access to something more? A legit sandbox designed for real, structured professional work. Okay, let's dive into what that actually means. So this is Google AI Studio. And it's not just another chat interface. Think of it as a whole suite of powerful tools. It's designed to take you from just having a simple conversation to actually doing structured creation and analysis. It's kind of the difference between a quick chat and a full-on professional workshop. In this explainer, we're going to walk through the 5 core modules here, treating each one like a unique tool in your professional toolkit. Okay, first up, let's start with something that probably feels familiar, but trust me, it's got a serious upgrade. We're talking about the chat module, which you can think of as your go-to first draft generator. So here's the deal. Unlike a standard chatbot, the chat in AI Studio is built from the ground up to handle really detailed, context-heavy stuff, for actual professional needs. It's designed to get the nuance, to understand the complexity. And what's really powerful here is just the sheer variety of tasks you can tackle, from creative brainstorming all the way to technical coding. The whole point is to get a really high-quality starting point and get it fast. I mean, just imagine this. You feed it a super dense, 50-page document, and in seconds, you get a perfect executive summary back. Think about that. That saves you hours of reading and trying to piece it all together. You get to focus on the actual strategy, not the grunt work. Okay, so you've got your first draft done. Awesome. But now you have to actually present it, right? So how do you get ready for that? Well, this is where we move from just creating content to actually coaching your performance. Let's talk about the stream module. We've all done it, right? Standing in front of the mirror, rehearsing for that big meeting. But what if? What if you could practice against an AI coach that gives you actual real-time feedback? Okay, this is where it gets kind of mind-blowing. Stream literally uses your webcam to watch you and analyze your delivery in real time. It'll give you feedback on your tone, your body language, your word choice, everything. It's basically like having an executive coach on call 24/7. All right, next up, let's talk about how you can become your own on-demand creative agency. We're talking professional-grade visuals. Now, the real key to getting great AI images is being specific. So we'll start with a really simple idea, just to get going. A woman drinking water. It's a start, but it's pretty vague. Okay, now we add some detail, we make it more concrete. Let's give her a sleek water bottle with a matte black finish. See, now the AI has actual objects and textures it can work with. And for the final touch, we add the setting and the style we're after. Sitting on a mossy boulder in a foggy evergreen forest. And then we tell it the style. Hyper-realistic, premium lifestyle marketing. Boom. This whole step-by-step process takes a fuzzy idea and turns it into a high-quality, campaign-ready image. In seconds. This isn't just generating an image. It's art direction. Making big decisions is tough. You really need to see the problem from a bunch of different angles. And that, right there, is exactly what the Compare module is built for. This is so cool. You can basically tell the AI to become different experts and analyze a problem from their unique point of view. So here, we've got a super conservative financial advisor on one side, and on the other, an entrepreneurial life coach. They're both looking at the exact same problem, but giving you totally different takes. And what this does is it stops you from thinking in just one dimension. It helps you really weigh the alternatives clearly, whether you're thinking about a career move or a big business strategy. Honestly, it forces you to see the trade-offs you might have completely missed otherwise. Okay, our last tool. And this one tackles a problem I think every single one of us has, turning a complete mess of information into something clear and structured. Just picture this. You just got back from a huge conference. You've got scattered notes, a bunch of PDF handouts, photos you took of whiteboards. It's a total mess. All that info is super valuable, but right now it's just chaos. The insights are trapped. But with one single, really specific prompt, we can just ask the Organize module to make sense of everything. And notice, we're not just saying, list my notes. We're asking it to create actionable intelligence, to synthesize and prioritize everything for us. And here's the magic. In just a few minutes, all that chaos gets transformed into this, a structured, actionable report. That's the real power here. It takes all that raw data and turns it into actual progress. It closes that gap between learning something new and actually doing something with it. So as you can see, AI Studio is so much more than a chatbot, right? It's a full-on toolkit. It's there to help you be more creative and make smarter decisions, all because it gives you those professional-level controls to actually guide what the AI does.
So there you have it, the whole toolkit. The question is, which tool are you going to use first? Because the real power, of course, comes when you start applying this stuff to your own challenges. I really hope this explainer has sparked a few ideas for how you can start using AI in a much more structured and, honestly, a much more powerful way.